back and you fail. Second place, can't be in my face, so now. Deep pockets, they think I'm rockin' Chanel. Fat wallet, little bitch, you know I got hair. I'm the patty, give it to bitch Chanel. I'm crimson horns, baby, I'm for real.
Hey, boys. All right, boys. Bust out this trade recap. Hopefully that music isn't too loud. Once in a while.
Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that?
You like that? All right, let's get straight into it. Okay, so boom, just finished trading. It's literally 10:30. Also, hopefully my audio is like, because I noticed that my audio was delayed. Or I mean, like, it was delayed, like the audio and the video weren't matching up. So I think I might have fixed it. I watched a video last night on how to fix it. I think I might have fixed it. So hopefully it's fixed. But anyway, let's just get right into this recap. Took one trade on my personal account today, because I have a couple accounts. I have one that I just follow alerts on from Habibi. Took 2 on there, went 2 for 2 on there, but I'm just gonna go over the trades that I took on my my personal account. So market opens. We were moving absolutely insane today. If you were in VC, you were hearing us talk about market was, dude, price was literally moving absolutely insane today. I mean, we were literally getting 60-point candles on the 2-minute, whatever. Market opens right here. We'll go ahead and mark it out right there. Now, right here, I'm going to go ahead and mark out that zone right there. And then now I'm just looking for, again, significant areas of reversal. Boom, right here. This is what I mean, though. Look, this candle right here, this is on the 2-minute, by the way. 70-point candle. 70-point candle on the 2-minute, one candle. Next zone I draw out is right here. So now I'm either looking to come up and test this and then dump, or come up and test this and then play longs out of it. So we keep going. Boom, right here. I almost could have taken longs, but you can see we just barely missed the zone, so I didn't take anything right there. Boom, we actually, okay, wait, this is where I got my first setup. Sorry, I'm kind of rushing this a little bit. Okay, so right now I'm looking for a continuation model. Boom, I see that we had a little bit of a buy up right here. I actually marked out this right here. So top of the wick to the bottom of that body candle right there. So to play a continuation, I'm looking for basically just this, because obviously, a trend or any kind of trend just goes, a move down and then a smaller move up and then a bigger move down and then a smaller move up and then a bigger move down to create that downtrend. Obviously a lot of times, most times when there's a trend, it's never just going to be a straight dump. You're going to see little bits of kind of pullback, and then you really want to try to get in on those little bits of pullback before it to try to catch that next leg down. So right here is what I'm looking for to retest this area right here. Boom, boom, right here we test it. We literally came up all the way up to here, and then you can see we came all the way up to here and we closed all the way down. Now, I've been saying we are always looking at wicks with this strategy. Tapped into our zone at 9:54, so pretty early setup that presented itself, which was nice. I hopped in shorts right at the close of this candle. Right at the close of this candle. I guess I got a better fill because I guess I filled right up here. So I market ordered, got filled about right up here, right after the close of this candle. Obviously, a huge wick like this, like how big was this wick? Let's see. Over a 40-point wick. Over a 40-point wick, and we are also in a downtrend and out of our zone. Literally A+ setup, taking shorts, entered right at the close of that candle. Boom, we fill right there. TP gets hit in one candle. Sick. Now, right here, market ID risked on this play, so I actually didn't make as much as I normally would, because of how volatile the market was moving. I just did not want to get caught on the wrong side. Even though I did really like the setup, I de-risked just because I really did not want to get caught on the wrong side of, how price was moving today. Right here, I actually would have taken longs. I was being done for the day. At this point, I was 3 for 3 on the day between both my accounts, and I was just green on the week. I'm literally flawless on the week, so I didn't even want to mess it up. I took one trade, one green, boom, I'm done. Hands off, mitts off. I just didn't even want to put any more risk on the table, especially having such a great week. And, Yeah, being up 3 for 3 between both my accounts. Otherwise, I would have taken longs right here. I'll go ahead and remove this. Otherwise, I would have taken longs right here. We tapped into this zone, wicked out of it. Boom, we have a wick that's 17 points long. Our top wick is only 8 points long. Boom, I would have entered right at the close of this candle right here, 30-point SL, which just happens to be right below our zone. That's absolutely perfect. That is if I can mark that. Okay, boom. And then this did hit, if I'm not mistaken. So let's just assume that we filled right here if I was to take this play. And then boom, CB gets hit in one candle right there. Boom, right here. You could have taken shorts. I personally wouldn't have, just because I don't have a high that's marked out right here. And then that's good because probably would have got stopped out. Right here, you can take longs. I would like a long setup out of this if we weren't so high up. You could take a stab at it. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Again, we have, you know, a small top wick and a bigger bottom wick, also indicating a lot of strength. You can see that we managed to close above this high that we struggled to in this last candle. If we zoom out to the 5, we're obviously in a huge downtrend. So I don't know. I'd probably still look to play this. Let's go ahead and just see what happens if we enter longs here. 30-point SL, 30-point CP, and we get stopped out. So at that point, I would have been 2-1 on the day, up about 30 points. So those last 2 trades would have just canceled each other out. And I still would have been up just 1 trade on the day, which basically is what I ended up doing anyway. So I guess I just saved myself from taking an extra 2 setups when I actually didn't need to at all. So everything ended up working out in my favor. And then I believe right now, if I exit market, I'm pretty sure we've just been dumping all day. This is oh, we started to make a little bit of a move back up. That's nice. Yeah, but basically, if I zoom out to the 15-minute, you can see that this red line right here is market close yesterday, and we literally dumped, like, we have dumped over probably over 900 points since then, which is pretty insane, actually, for an overnight move. That is actually insane. Like, we are dumping right now. You can see all-time highs we had. If I go on the hourly, I can probably see it better. It was probably, yeah, somewhere up here. So since all-time highs on the 11th, so basically, like 2.5 weeks ago, we were at all-time highs. In 2.5 weeks, we have dumped over 2,500 points. So we're definitely seeing a huge move down right now. Shorts are the, shorts are the move on the bigger time frames. As you can see here, we're just making this huge downtrend on the bigger time frames. Obviously, I don't look on those bigger time frames really ever. I'm just an intraday kind of scalper, if you will. 30-point 1-to-1s. That's the thing, though. Something like 30 points sounds like a lot, but on a day like today, where candles, we're literally having, again, this candle right here, 80 points, 80-point candle on the 2-minute. So 30 points sounds like a lot, but on days like this, it's really not. And that's the reason that I de-risked myself so much, and I only went in with about 3/4 of my full position size. But whatever, still went 3 for 3 on the day, went 2 for 2 on my one account, and then I went 1 for 1 on this account that I took this trade on. But that's my trade recap for the day. Probably going to be uploading a video this weekend on kind of my updated strategy and updated rules and all stuff like that. But this was just a quick recap on today. Friday had a great week. I hope you guys did as well. Thank you for tuning in to the video. Also, sub up. We're literally so close to 200 subscribers. Support's been absolutely insane. We are growing so fast. So thank you guys so much for everything. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.